We are back with Christopher Cook from Alliance Insurance Services. He's answering all your insurance-related questions. All right, this person says, I've had no tickets, no accidents. I drive less than 5,000 miles per year. I'm 75 years old. Will my car insurance rate decrease if I take a defensive driving course?
Quick answer, maybe. Again, communicate with your agent. Something that I would ask you to consider is there's a wide variety of driver monitoring services out there that insurance companies offer. They have a bunch of different names, but basically they're tracking your driving, how fast you drive, how hard you brake, how frequently you do aggressive things or whatever. And there are big discounts offered for that, for allowing them to monitor your driving. So if you're really interested in saving some money, that might be a better course for you.
Gotcha. All right, so this person, we're back to the tree thing and the storm damage. All right, so what happens if your neighbor's tree is dead and they're aware of it and it falls on your house? Are they still not responsible?
They would be responsible at that point in time. If you want to take that to court, you're certainly encouraged to do that. You need to have it documented and certified letter and all the things that would cause a judge or a jury to agree with you. So yes, they're liable if they knew their tree was a danger to you. I'll let you decide what to do with your time.
Okay, so the insurance company is not going to pick that up. You pick that up.
Well, the insurance company has to also do math, right, Tanya? I mean, I can pay this claim and move on with life, or I can sue Tanya and make her prove to me that she didn't know that it was dead and do all the things. And those things take time. And if it crushed $1 million home, I'm sure the insurance company would defend that. If it's $5,000 worth of damage, I can't speak for any claims department. I'm not a claims adjuster, but the math may just not work out to go to court over something of that nature.
Gotcha. So you would have to kind of get your own money back. Now, my next question is, if you know that the tree is dead and it's something that you and your neighbor have had words about, is it something that you should document that with your insurance company ahead of time?
Please document it. Yes. Please document it to your neighbor, to your insurance company. Yes. Send it a letter, send it certified mail, make sure that they've signed for it, and then it's been documented.
And then maybe your insurance company will do something? Maybe.
Well, your insurance company doesn't have the right to make a property owner cut a tree down. Your insurance company is going to defend you. They're going to do what's right by their customer. But no one can go onto another person's property and make them cut down a tree. They can and may sue them to say, hey, you caused this damage. We will subrogate this to you so that you have to pay it.
Gotcha. Okay. So this next question is it worth it to purchase non-owner auto insurance to help with car rental costs? I don't own a car, but I rent them often.
In your case, maybe. I've been in the insurance business a little over 20 years. It's very rare that I recommend a non-owner's policy. If you truly don't own a car, possibly. By state statute, if you live in a home with someone that does own a car, you were supposed to be listed on their auto insurance policy, and you're supposed to be covered by that. That's a statutory thing in our state. So that's a really specific case, and we probably should take that one offline, but maybe is my answer.
All right, so then my next question is, if you're traveling, and of course I have auto insurance, should I buy the auto insurance from the rental car company?
So your car insurance policy will pay for the damage that you caused to another party and the damage you caused to that car. What your car insurance policy in our state will not pay for is the lost revenue to the rental car agency, which can be quite expensive. If you think about, you total lost a car, they can't replace it for 30 days. What is your daily cost of renting that car for them? So I do encourage folks to try to have collision damage waiver, either purchasing it through the rental car agency, or a lot of the credit card companies offer that as a member perk.
Ooh, so ask your credit card company about that. I had not heard that before. Okay. All right, we're going to take a quick break. We want you to continue to text us your questions, 336-379-5775. We're going to get a check on the forecast with meteorologist Tim Buckley, and we're hoping that things look a whole lot better come this weekend. Tim?